Hi, I'm Matt Hildebrand with Don's Appliances, showing an electric cooktop. Now this is a smooth top cooktop, and there's some key advantages on a smooth top cooktop. Number one, it's pretty easy to clean. So you can use any type of cleaner, non-abrasive cleaner on the top to clean the top. So over gas, you don't have gas grates to pull off with an electric cooktop, so this is going to be much, much easier to clean. The other thing is, gas cooktops can leave off obvious burning of gas. So you need ventilation above a gas cooktop. Don't necessarily need ventilation above an electric cooktop. It's recommended, but it's not necessarily a must like on a gas range or a gas cooktop. The other key really advantage over gas is that electric cooktops or ranges tend to be less expensive. So from a cost standpoint, this is going to price out much, much better. Now I will say there is a major disadvantage though to a glass top. The big thing is that with our burners, this is where the burner will get hot and the glass will get hot. So if you spill something on this top, you do want to wipe it up right away. Otherwise, it will burn to the top. So you want to make sure that you clean this right away. So that can be a pretty big disadvantage because if you don't pull it off or clean off those residues right away, you're going to have a really hard time cleaning it. But if you have any questions about electric cooktops, electric ranges, be sure to leave a comment below or go to donsappliances.com.